Good morning. It's Brenda Eshin Shoshana back with a little small episode of, you could call it Stepping Stones to Happiness or the dwelling place, the place where joy is revealed, where goodwill is revealed, where health is revealed, where we can emerge into who we truly are. So today I want to talk about something very, very, very simple and very important, the power of forgiveness. There's so much anger going on these days, division, conflict. You're right, I'm wrong. I'm in danger. That fear, I'm in danger from you, from your ideas, from your activities. I have to win and you have to lose. None of it's true. None of it's real. None of it can touch you when you bathe in a different consciousness entirely. I like to call it in the power of forgiveness, in the power of oneness, of goodness. You're entering then a completely different vibration. And that vibration keeps you immune to the onslaughts of negative beliefs. Not only immune, but it affects those who are coming at you with a lower vibration, a lower thoughts. We think when someone's coming at us with anger, with rage, with a wish to do harm, that they have power. But the opposite is true. This is really worth considering. There is no power in the world that comes close to the power of love. Nothing. But it's not just that we have to think it, we have to embody it, express that lovingness, become love, become forgiveness. And it's not hard. That's the exciting point. It's not hard. It's easy. It's inevitable when we begin to turn around and try it. Just try it. Just try it. Now, how do we do that, though? How do we forgive? How is it possible to forgive? The first step, and there are steps, they're simple, they're very, very potent, is to know that the power of forgiveness far exceeds any so-called harm that you think has come at you. So if someone, just start simple. If someone says or does something that seems nasty, upsetting, threatening, don't react. Very quiet. And in your mind, in your heart, in your whole being, look at them and say, I send you love and light. Now, to begin with, you don't have to feel love. You just have to intend it. You just have to intend it and say it over and over. The intention is all, and the more you intend it, the more it will affect them and you. You can also send your own feeling of upset. I send you love and light. Respond with friendliness. It will throw them off their game. When their anger, their cruelty, their upset is not responded to in kind, it stops the energy. It just stops it. They have no one to dance with. They're dancing the foxtrot. You're dancing the waltz. They don't have a partner in hate. Don't be a partner in hate. So just try this. This also comes from many different teachings, many, many, many. This comes from many, many of the eternal teachings, but it's wonderful to read it, but let's practice it. When we actually make it real in our lives, that's when it's exciting and alive And that's when we give it energy, and that's when it can alter the course of things between you and another. And if enough people join in and do it, can alter the whole course of the world. I send you love and light. That's just a beginning. It's just a very, very little beginning to start actually tasting the effects of this in our life. Why not try something different? We've been trying so long, responding so long in kind. It doesn't really heal anything or get us anywhere. So thank you very, very much for listening. And don't forget yourself too. I send you say to yourself, I send you love and light, instead of all the constant criticism and self-rejection that goes on to others and to ourselves. Again, thank you for listening. It's Brenda Eschen Shoshana, and I appreciate your time. Be well. Take care. I'll be back soon.